Hey there, beach lovers. It's your favorite beach explorer, Monica, and I'm back with another exciting adventure on the shores of paradise. Today, I'm walking along a beach that is simply out of this world. Picture yourself surrounded by stunning cliffs, their rugged edges reaching towards the heavens. As I make my way along this mesmerizing coastline, the crashing waves create a symphony of power and beauty. The salty breeze carries a hint of adventure, inviting you to explore every nook and cranny of this breathtaking beach. What makes this beach truly unique is its vibrant and diverse ecosystem. Take a closer look, and you'll find a kaleidoscope of colorful seashells scattered along the shoreline. These tiny treasures, shaped by the ebb and flow of the tides, are a testament to the beauty that lies beneath the surface. Speaking of which, the underwater world here is an absolute wonderland. Grab your snorkeling gear and get ready to dive into a world of wonder. Beneath the surface, coral reefs burst with life, showcasing an array of dazzling fish and marine creatures. It's like swimming in a real-life aquarium. As I continue my stroll, I can't help but be in awe of the sheer expanse of this beach. The soft, powdery sand stretches as far as the eye can see, inviting you to lounge under the warm sun or engage in thrilling beach activities. Whether you're building sandcastles, playing beach volleyball, or simply enjoying a leisurely walk, this beach has something for everyone. And let's not forget about the sunsets here. Oh, they are truly magical. As the golden orb dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a painting of fiery hues. The beach becomes a canvas for nature's masterpiece, and each sunset is a reminder of the beauty that exists in every moment. I hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour of this awe-inspiring beach. If you found this journey as captivating as I have, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me and allows me to continue sharing these incredible beach experiences with you. Make sure to click the notification bell so you never miss an update from my channel, Monica's Beach Escapes. Together, we'll uncover the hidden gems and breathtaking shores of the world. Thank you for joining me today, and until our next beach adventure, keep chasing the sun, embracing the sand, and living life to the fullest. Remember, the beach is calling, and I'll see you soon.